Hello mummies, welcome to my channel Learning with Flora. In today's video, let's see how to introduce nursery class kids to write standing line. So let's get started. See, this activity goes on for a whole 1 week. I give from Monday to Sunday, all the weekdays, so that the child doesn't feel cranky when there is a gap, if there is a gap. So this is how I draw simple yet very common pictures which the child can recognize. For example, this is a house. The child will name the picture. Then I will ask the child to trace on these dotted lines or connect the dotted lines like this. Standing line, standing line. So here also it is the same standing line. Standing line, standing line, standing line, standing line. So this way, if you introduce the writing activities, the child will think that he is playing and he will concentrate and he will complete his task. So this is one more on the same day itself. You cannot give the same pictures. You have to give different pictures so that the child never loses the interest. So you can say draw trunk for the tree like this. You can give crayons initially like this. So like this. Then comes the third picture, that's the candle. So like this. These activities are for the child so that he knows the concept of standing line. Standing line starts from the top and it comes to the bottom like this. The stroke they will learn. Once this activity is finished, you can give various type of pictures. For example, this is also one more activity. These are all for day 1, where you introduce familiar pictures like this. So now day 1, the child has learned or has been introduced to write the standing line. So the child knows how to form standing line. Once the child has mastered to write or trace standing line and these type of activities, you can go with the next activity on the second day. That is, you have to keep dots and you must ask the child to connect these dots. Start from here, come down, down, down like this. These type of activities goes on the second day. You can use a A4 size sheet or a drawing note, whatever is available with you. These type of drawing or writing standing line goes for the second day. Then for the third day, you can reduce the dots and also the size. You can increase the size between the dots and you can ask the child to connect. This is the activity for the third day. Then for the fourth day, it's like this. The child will connect the dot that is on top and the dot that is the bottom like this. This is the 4th day activity. Like this the child will connect. Then the 5th day you can introduce like this box shape square shaped boxes that are 1 inch in size or a little bigger, where you will keep the dots very close by, and the size of the standing line is also reduced, and the child must trace like this. This is for the 5th day standing line. Then for the 6th day it is connecting only 2 dots from top to bottom. Then the 7th day only 1 dot, and the child must connect like this. So you can give these type for entire page, maybe 10 boxes per day the child can write. Otherwise half page in a A4 size paper. Like this you can draw boxes, or you can draw box in one sheet and you can Xerox, and you can make multiple copies, and you can keep it so that it saves time drawing these type of boxes. So I give writing practice for 15 minutes in the morning and in the evening every day. Thank you for watching.